This unassuming bird plants over 1,000 new trees every single year. How does something so small wield such immense power to foster life? Think of it as a tiny architect in feathers, diligently at work across sprawling forests, an unconscious architect of nature's vast blueprint. We're talking about the Eurasian jay, a creature whose daily routines are actively shaping the future of our woodlands. Its remarkable tool isn't muscle or poison, but a stretchy throat pouch, large enough to comfortably hold up to 5 hefty acorns. Each fall, this single bird embarks on an ambitious solo mission, stashing away thousands of acorns for the lean winter months. It remembers where it put them with an almost unbelievable precision, a skill that puts our own scattered memories to shame. Nature clearly plays favorites sometimes. Yet from Britain all the way to Japan, a peculiar thing happens. Jays forget about 1/5 of these meticulously buried stashes. This unintentional cultivation leads to more than 1,000 new oak trees sprouting each year. The Eurasian jay, capable of traveling hundreds of miles, carries a gift far more crucial than its own continued existence. While bracing for harsh winters, a single jay needs to bury over 5,000 acorns. These hidden food stores are carefully placed throughout its extensive range, sometimes covering areas as large as 20 square kilometers. Astonishingly, 20 to 30% of these caches are never recovered, destined instead to sprout into new growth. This very forgetfulness is what elevates the Eurasian jay to superplanter status, responsible for 60% of natural oak regeneration. Over its 17-year lifespan, one jay can unknowingly sow hundreds of thousands of trees, forever altering landscapes. One Eurasian jay can stash over 11,000 acorns in a single season, a frankly absurd amount, especially when you consider it forgets nearly 1/3 of that treasure. Evolution definitely had a sense of humor here, because nature's best reforestation efforts seem to be powered by a little bit of bird brain. And this isn't just random hoarding. This seemingly simple act leads to this bird planting as many as 1,000 new trees. You see, over 90% of its diet is wild fruit, making it a surprisingly important player in nature's long game. This avian fruitarian is pretty picky though, favoring high-energy, lipid-rich drupes from over 20 different fruit types across Eurasia. After a meal, many of those seeds end up in a specialized throat pouch, capable of holding perhaps 5 big oak acorns or even 10 smaller beech nuts. Talk about a mobile nursery in a tiny feathered package. Its gizzard, with a pH around 2.0, offers a unique environment, letting many seeds pass through its digestive system completely unharmed. On average, seeds hang out for 30 to 60 minutes, traveling as far as a kilometer from the original plant. An adult jay can poop out thousands of viable seeds every single day, which is a huge help for plants trying to spread to new, distant spots. This airborne gardener often drops its cargo in disturbed areas, like clearings or old fields, prime real estate for new growth. A single jay might travel 3 kilometers from where it foraged to where it buries its seeds, efficiently spreading them out. Over its entire life, one Eurasian jay can be responsible for establishing roughly 1,000 new trees. A Eurasian jay can boost seed germination by a remarkable 40%, a vital ecological advantage. Most birds have a grinding gizzard, but this jay's is far less muscular, letting larger seeds pass through with minimal damage, almost like a specialized conveyor. Its glandular stomach secretes enzymes, yet seeds' tough outer coats often resist complete breakdown. And get this, your stomach acid is a brutal pH of 1.5, but the jay's gut averages a gentler 3.5. That's just acidic enough to scarify seeds, weakening them without destroying them. It's not just surviving the journey, it's often an upgrade. This gut passage primes them for faster, more vigorous germination. Studies confirm some processed seeds show germination rates up to 40% higher than untreated ones, accelerating forest regrowth. This avian architect perfects reforestation long before humans ever considered planting a sapling. Where does it choose to leave these precious, pre-treated seeds? often beneath existing canopy cover, providing crucial shade and consistent moisture. These strategic locations, typically within 10 meters of a mature tree, offer protection from harsh sunlight and extreme temperatures. The act of burying them 2 to 5 centimeters deep shields them from surface predators like mice. This digestive tract, just 25 centimeters long, also reduces germination inhibiting chemicals from seed coats, giving forgotten seeds a vital head start. After careful transport, the jay caches these seeds in shallow soil depressions up to 4 centimeters deep, providing natural protection from predation. It meticulously selects sites near nurse logs, benefiting from their inherent shade and moisture. This one jay, just by doing its thing, could plant over 1,000 new trees every single day. It's not planting forests, it's just surviving. Through its constant movement, this feathered friend isn't just eating, it's acting like a precision planter, dropping over 100 seed packages daily. And these aren't random drops either. Jays seem to prefer perching over disturbed ground or small clearings, spots that get plenty of sunlight, which can boost initial growth by 40% compared to shaded areas. They cover serious territory too, foraging across areas 10 to 15 square kilometers each day, ensuring seeds get spread everywhere. Often perching 15 to 20 meters up, they deposit seeds far from their origin, which helps prevent competition for resources and actually makes germination more successful. Their digestion is so quick that seeds usually pass through in just 30 to 60 minutes, often deposited hours later, exactly when and where they're needed, meaning they bypass direct competition with the parent plant. This avian architect supports over 70 different tree species, mostly oaks, acting like the animal kingdom's automated forest builder. Come autumn, a single jay can bury thousands of acorns, even stashing 10 in one quick trip, all in preparation for winter and, incidentally, planting future forests. They don't just toss seeds around, they actively bury them 2 to 5 centimeters deep, which protects them from predators and keeps them at the perfect moisture level. Here's the crazy part. Up to 80% of these cached acorns are never recovered. This critical failure turns into a massive win for forest regeneration, transforming neglected areas into thriving ecosystems over decades. Think about a bird's digestive system. It's not just about getting the seed from point A to point B. For a seed, it's actually a profound boost, leading to a threefold increase in germination success. That processed seed, now enriched with natural fertilizer, sprouts approximately 20% faster, giving it a critical head start. Passage through the Eurasian jay's gut can even break seed dormancy, mimicking natural stratification and acting like a tiny, natural alarm clock. And where do these seeds typically land? Often in open, sunny gaps within the forest, bathed in light, which maximizes photosynthesis for the young sapling. Every single seed the Eurasian jay plants could grow into a magnificent tree, living for over 300 years, silently working to sustain our planet. Over its 18-year lifespan, one jay can inadvertently plant up to 100,000 oak trees. That's a personal reforestation project of extreme scale. They bury acorns precisely 5 centimeters deep, the sweet spot for germination and protection from other hungry mouths. Jay-planted seeds boast a 70% survival rate, a stark contrast to the mere 10% of naturally fallen seeds. You prune your roses, the jay cultivates entire forests. An astonishing 80% of these strategically chosen canopy gaps offer optimal sunlight for these ambitious seedlings. Annually, these birds plant thousands of hectares of new forest, vastly exceeding many human reforestation efforts. It's like evolution looked at the jay and thought, yes, give it more. Over centuries, these humble birds have sculpted entire forest ecosystems, influencing biodiversity and carbon sequestration on a scale we are only beginning to comprehend. The cycle is complete, from dropped seed to thriving sapling, an unintentional yet vital act of forest regeneration. For a bird that's only around for a few years, the Eurasian jay is an absolute powerhouse, an unsung architect responsible for over 1,000 thriving trees. That's more trees than most reforestation teams plant annually. and it all comes down to their instinctual habit of burying acorns. Think about the human effort. Millions of dollars and tons of labor go into planting a sliver of what one jay achieves naturally. It turns out evolution gave this bird a blueprint for healing the planet. No grand intentions needed, just pure instinct. This burying behavior, stashing up to 5,000 acorns each year, is critical for oak dispersal, especially in landscapes broken up by roads and development. Those forgotten acorns don't just grow into trees, they become food and habitat for countless other species, from insects to small mammals, a real ripple effect for biodiversity. Researchers have been quietly amazed by this simple, elegant solution for decades. Sometimes the greatest ecological plans are completely unconscious. A single oak planted by a jay can live for over 300 years, anchoring the soil and benefiting the ecosystem for centuries. And unlike human-planted forests, these jay-dispersed woodlands are naturally diverse and resilient, scattered just the way nature intended. It's a profound realization. So many essential ecosystem services are provided by creatures who haven't got a clue about their grand designs. Trying to replicate this ourselves would demand 1 trillion tiny drones and an astronomical budget. This bird does it all for a snack. Its ancestors have shaped forests for millions of years, an unbroken chain of unwitting architects, crafting the very world they live in.